stay na kami ngayon sa Discovery Coron. Nag-van kami and then we're now on a boat. Ayan, we're here! Ang ganda!
Everybody, welcome to Discovery Island. It was a free shore to have your board. Enjoy stay po, everyone.
Thank you! Just got here!
You're welcome po.
Thank you!
It's to the... Hello, welcome. Walang pa rin sir, number at saka kalaman sila.
Okay. Good.
Saan pa ako yan? Ay sir, first time po dito?
Thank you! Welcome drink!
Wala ka daw.
Hoy!
Happy summer!
Thank you!
So good.
Keep on moving kalaman sila.
Cheers!
Yeah, because he says. I can play here all day.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-check-in and now we're going to the room.
I want to sit here at the front.
No, di here.
Why yours the other pool?
It's on the other side daw. Yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow.
No.
Tomorrow morning. Or ano. Pwede mamaya. Hiking tayo.
No.
Sunset Beach. So dito yung mga Sunset
Go.
Beach side natin.
Yeah.
So dito na.
Beto naman po yung glow spa natin.
Glow spa. Diyan yung mga massage.
That's why you can get your own massage.
Ay, libre mo ako, Lia. Can you libre mami massage?
Hindi pwede.
Bakit?
Mami!
Pahingi ako 4,000 pang massage.
Wala ako 4,000. Meron na ako $5
$5? Naku.
sa Australia.
Oo.
Hindi pa. Yeah, go. See.
Ayun na yung bat.
Go look.
Lia, look.
That's the fruit bat.
Nakakapit eh. Natatakot ata. Are you scared?
No.
Pool here.
Oh, it has no fear.
Ah.
I'm gonna jump. On the fear.
Ayan, yung room namin. And ito yung labas ng room. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda. Room tour! So we've got a very big bed right here sa wakas. The mini bar. And the toilet. Ang ganda naman.
I got the turtle, mommy. I got the turtle toy.
Hi, my name is Timmy and I'm here to give you warm hugs. No, it's not free. You can just use it as a toy here.
Pay it, mommy. Pay it. Mommy, pay it. Pay it. Pay it.
No, we can take that to Australia. It's not free.
Pay it.
No, I already paid for this room. That's enough. 5th day na namin. So, ito yung una niyang ginawa. Naglalaban na kami because yung sea lice nga, ang kate-kate, gamitin pa namin yung bikinis namin. So, ayan.
This is nice, guys. I hope you go here on your holiday trip or on any day. And if you have a kid, you get a free toy. Well, it's not actually free.
It's not free. Thank you. Bicho, bicho. Babe, bagay yan sa coffee mo.
Tingin ako.
Kunin mo.
Pinipig siya. Pinipig siya. Ilalo na to. Ito. Tika pala eh.
Ano, kaya, Lia?
Ay, nakinipig.
We woke up 5 a.m. today and we're gonna do a mini hike, chase the sunrise. Pa-sunrise na ba? Oh no! This little girl, hirap gisingin. I know, it's a holiday, but we can sleep naman ulit after, diba? So the plan today is morning walk or the mini hike, swim, eat breakfast, and then rest, work out,
This is the workout.
rest again, and when it's around 3 na, lalabas na ulit kami to swim, snorkel, chase the turtle, not really chase, but you know, just see them. Ah, really? Marami raw fish there. Ay, Ria, look ko, yung, babe, yung bayawakan doon, nagsiswimming.
Ha?
Ayun o.
Ah, there's another one.
Ayan pala yung pool nila eh. See, Lia, they have their own pool. It's 25 to 30 minutes going to the top. And we're almost here. So proud of Leah. 20 minutes lang? Okay, 20 minutes lang pala. Sabi kasi ni Kuya Mano, 25 to 30.
What's that?
Water.
Alright. You have one.
Babe.
Mami, baka mahulog ka.
We're going back.
Like a chicken?
Morning dip.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Mama.
Is that egg?
Trying to look for you. Bakit ba sa taong ano ba yun?
Takutin yan sir. Huwag lang mahawakan kasi nangangagat niya pag nangawakan. Pinoprotect din nila yung sarili nila.
79, 311, 25. I don't believe you.
I got wings. I'm not.
Last afternoon here. Tomorrow morning, check out na kami and back to Manila. So, magla-last snorkel kami ngayon. It's just 2.
Mommy!
It's hot, but kailangan sulitin.
Mommy, I got wings.
Ayan. Mag-snorkel kami. Diyan lang yung snorkel, o. Ayan. Mas ang dami ng fish. Sa kabila, mas maganda kasi medyo maalon dun eh. Nandun kami kanina umaga. Grabe yung waves. Medyo napagod kami dun. Wala kaming guide kanina. Kahapon meron. Kayak here! Kung winawala-wala mo dyan.
Kakainis ka.
Ano na naman?
Iniwan mo yung GoPro.
Okay. Ito na. Sunset kayak.
Kayak! Sunset kayak! Malakas tayo! Uy, malalim na tayo!
Oo.
See the light where the sky can see. It calls me. No.
Let's turn around because I wanna see the sun.
Okay. Dia paddle right.
I wanna see
Right,
the
right.
sunset.
Right lang. Sige lang ako na.
Sige guys, kaya niyo yan.
Wala pa baby. Taas pa ng araw
Ah, ganun. Okay. Parang it's nice to be here and just watch the sunset like that.
Punta tayo sa may buwi.
Saan? Okay.
Mommy.
Oh.
If I go like this, that means we go back to shore, and then if I
Ayan na siya. Our third and last sunset here. We're chasing kasi yung bats. They're gonna wake up na. And then, lilipad sila sa kabilang island to eat. So, hanap kami ng magandang pwesto. Meron ata. Here. Here na here. We're leaving this beautiful place. Ayan na.
Oh, ganun pala yan. Hold ka, baby.
You're gonna miss Timmy, the turtle. Bye, Villa!
Naka-snorkeling hindi kayo kanina?
Hindi, kahapon lang.
Kahapon sa kami isang araw.
Bye, Discovery Coron! Daming baon ni Lia sa boat, oh. May pandesal, may hotdog, may dessert.